Welcome back to Game Channel,
Welcome back.
where we be Game Channel
Yeah,
in.
I'm pulling all these weapons around out of.
Where am I going this way? That's where I'm going. Okay. Climb up. Climbing up.
Fighting the cave.
Let's do this.
Okay. Oh, it's so pretty.
Tricep. They're one of the companies funded
But aren't
by
they evil?
SAA.
They are.
What are they doing here?
Because don't they work with Umbrella?
I think the company Umbrella became.
Oh man, there's a snake in here.
Mm-hmm.
Is that oil? Oh god.
Oh yeah, I remember this part.
I don't.
Good. Here, come here. Never mind.
Yeah, whatever. I'm pretty close to full anyways.
I like the snakes.
No, because Umbrella still exists, don't they?
No, I think they suffer like huge setbacks, so they get bought out by this company, or they become this company.
But it's basically just Umbrella.
Yeah, it's literally Umbrella, but
Looks like we've arrived at the oil field.
Yeah, and Irving's not getting away this
No, he's not.
actually he is. Come on! Because you're wasting so much time, Sheva.
You're just leaning against the wall.
I know. I'm like, ugh.
That's hilarious.
Hurry up!
You're just leaning against the wall like, oh my gosh. Sheva, seriously? Like, come on. Alright, so I have a rifle, so I can kill these guys. Is that Irving?
Yeah,
That guy's a jerk.
he looks weird too.
I think we established that recently.
No, we did.
Alright. I missed.
Good job.
I didn't the second time, though.
That's what counts, I guess.
Oh, come on.
What? Uppercut!
Watch out for a
Thing.
wavy zombie.
Nice shovel, bro.
He's behind you, by the way.
Oh, jeez!
I got him. You see me pro that?
No, I didn't. I was too busy getting attacked by this guy with a shovel. I hit him with the Stumbaton mid-swing, and he just looked at me and hit me with a shovel harder. And I was like, oh, jeez.
Here's some handgun ammo for you if you want it.
Nah, I'm good.
I need it.
I need not the handgun ammo.
Alright, where are we going here?
Onward! To glory!
Onward to victory!
Da-na-na.
It's barred shut from the other side. Why? Why do they do this?
I don't know what this does, but I'm gonna do it.
If anything, this game is showing the exploitation of Africa as a country, or as a country, as a continent.
I agree, Nate. I agree with exactly what you're saying.
There's fire there.
Oh, we missed one.
Oh, come on. Jerkwad. Oh, you're dead. Come on, give me loots. Give me loots. Get me the loot. I feel like I have to go up here for something.
Stomp him.
Bop it.
Stomp him too. He wasn't too happy about it. Uppercut.
I missed. I didn't that time.
Yeah. That's what matters.
As long as I got it. I feel like I'm supposed to do something here, but I can't. Oh.
Feel
okay.
like I'm supposed to do something here.
I
Let me get this lever for you.
I looked at that and it didn't do anything.
Yeah, do that.
Yay! Now there's only one fire.
Where's the other thing? We have to turn. Ah, I found it. Alright.
Oh.
Oh, good.
That's unfortunate.
That is unfortunate.
Open the dang door, Sheva!
If you hit it again, you kick
I know.
kick open the door.
I know, but I only realized that.
You know, but you didn't know?
Yeah,
Alright.
like. Okay, buddy. Where are you going? Is he going for you?
Probably.
I don't know where he is now.
I'll let you know if he shows up.
Okay. There he is. Found him.
Who's he after?
Me. I missed. Woo! Chainsaw dude.
Alright.
Whee!
You handle him!
And there's another one now.
Oh, good!
What you did. If you hadn't wanted to be a hero, Chris. Oh, gosh dang it. He's fast. Just trying to get some distance so I can.
Alright, Nate, where are you?
Over here.
Alright.
Ah! He is behind me. Did you get that one?
No.
Come on, buddy.
So now there's two running around. Dude, don't stand still.
But I am using. There he is. Well, they're both up here.
Hey, I found you.
Take care. Missed. Super kick. That looked like it was painful.
Alright.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Zipline!
Oh, good.
Yeah, so when I moved, he was gonna track you. I don't know where they are.
I don't know where I am.
Neither do I. Oh gosh, they're both right there.
Hey, I found you. Oh, please don't come up here, Nate.
Woohoo! Gotcha. Oh god! Go, go, go! Run. This feels like a very long sequence.
Yes, it does. Okay. I was getting ready to aim and he just like turned slightly and just walked down a different pathway and I was like, alright.
Alright, I'm gonna try and come up and help you now.
Oh, now you're trying to help me.
Bye, dude. You kind of have to fight them separately.
Yeah, I know.
Like, as two separate people. Oh, snap. Dang it.
You did it, Nate!
I thought it gave you a warning hit first.
No. No, he just kills you.
Because it did the first time we fought one.
Yeah, that was in the very beginning of the game.
Next time on Game Channel,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna die next time. I'm gonna live.
Yep.
Yep.
We're so dead.
We're so dead.